Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Halloween, the 31st of October. The euro is weakening as the Greek coalition government is struggling to secure the majority parliamentary vote for the latest set of austerity measures. No voting date has been set as yet. Meanwhile, the Troika report on Greece that has been anticipated for a while now is expected to be published on the 12th of November, the latest. Hurricane Sandy is still tearing the east coast of the US apart, with reports estimating damages up to $40 billion. There is trading today on the US 500, which tracks the SPI, and the US Tech, which tracks the Nasdaq, but this may change during the day. The Japanese yen is falling across the board after it took a big boost following the Bank of Japan decision to extend its asset purchasing program by 11 trillion yen. Even though this was the consensus figure, officials were calling for at least 20 trillion. Furthermore, the Bank of Japan announced that it will make also loans in other currencies as part of a new program. Oil is trading higher today, above $86 a barrel. Investors worldwide will anticipate the crude oil inventory release later today at 14:30 GMT for an insight into the demand and supply of the precious commodity. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.30. The dollar-yen pivot points at 79.75 with a preference to enter in short positions at 79.75. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.40. The sterling dollar pivot points at 160.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 160.60. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 100.20 with a preference to enter in short positions at 100.20. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 86.75 with a preference to enter in short positions at 86.75. The gold pivot points is at 1718 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1718. The silver pivot points at 32.25 with a preference to enter in short positions at 32.25. The GER30 is at 7195 with a preference to enter into long positions at 7262. And the UK 100 is at 5755 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5755. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In Europe, we have inflation flash year-on-year in October, forecast to come out at 2.5%. In Canada, we have the gross domestic product month-on-month in August forecast to expand by 0.2%. And we also have crude oil inventories forecast to increase by 1.6 million. And our interesting pair of the day is the US dollar, Canadian dollar. The US dollar weakened versus the Canadian dollar yesterday, but seems to have found short-term support at around 0.9990. The pair is also in the region of an uptrend line, and thus a rebound of these levels is likely. Nevertheless, market participants should be aware of a break below that, as it could pave the way for lower lows. Thank you for watching our daily outlook for Halloween, the 31st of October. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.